on this test in either section because they're combined between respiratory and digestive.
Oh.
Now I'll probably only have like one station, or a couple stations with those things labeled, but that's what's going on. But that's why this morning I didn't really talk about this at all, and I started everything at the esophagus. All right.
Okay.
So over here, this is the esophagus here. Of course. The esophagus terminates right here at the lower esophageal sphincter, the LES. And then you have the stomach. This whole organ is the stomach. You can divide the stomach into sections. This is the fundus here. This is the body of the stomach here. This section down here at the bottom is the pylorus. And then that sphincter there is the pyloric sphincter. This lining in here, these folds, are called rugae, the rugae of the stomach. As you come through the pyloric sphincter, the first part of the small intestine you run into here is the duodenum of the small intestine. That's this section right here. And then the next major section, all of this up here, is jejunum. And pretty much everything down here is ileum. This is the end of the ileum right here. And it comes up here and attaches to the large intestine, right? So the ileum attaches, this attachment point right there is the ileocecal valve. This piece right there, that's what that valve is, the ileocecal valve. This here is the cecum. This is the appendix here. So cecum, then you have the parts of the colon, the ascending colon. Let's go. Ascending colon, the transverse colon, the descending colon, and then there's a sigmoid colon at the back. Now that might require a different model here. This model here shows the sigmoid colon and much more effectiveness than that one, but that's what that is. That's the sigmoid colon there. At the very end of the sigmoid colon here is the rectum, and at the very end is the anus.